Have you ever heard of a healing trip? If you haven't, let me tell you how and how it works so you can do it. Healing trip ဆိုတာတော့ဘာမှမဟုတ်ဒီကတော့စကားတွေအများကြီးပြောမယ်ကိုယ့်ရဲ့ emotions တွေကိုယ့်ရဲ့ feelings ကို process လုပ်ပြီးတော့ you just have to figure it out yourself about how you're feeling and how you want to take control of some of the aspects that are happening in your life. ဒါပေမဲ့ healing trip သွားရဆိုပြီးတော့ toxic ဖြစ်တဲ့တငယ်ချင်းတွေနဲ့တော့သွားလို့မရဘူးပေါ့နော် It has got to be with someone who you can tell all your emotions, feelings and thoughts without being judged. သွားရနေရလေ weekday မလို့လားမသိကနော်ကြီးထဲမှာလည်းလူလည်းတိတ်မရှိဘူးအရန်နေလို့ထိုင်လို့ကောင်းတယ် hotel ကို check in ဝင်လိုက်တယ် This is the hotel that I love. နေရာကလေမြို့မြို့မှာအကောင်းဆုံးအဲ့လိုမျိုးတော့မဟုတ်ပေမဲ့ This place was a special place in my heart. တငယ်ချင်းတွေနဲ့ with my loved one, with my family, I came here and I had a very good time. Lunch ကိုတော့ကျုပ် special ကြော်စိန်ပေါက်မှာစားပြီးတော့ we then went for this very unique pudding they have at 108 တနေရာရောက်ဖြစ်ရင်လေတပုံရိုက်ပိုးဆိုတာနေတတာ we're having our endless conversations and I figured out that I have a lot of unprocessed emotions and feelings that I need to do. The they journal their emotions and then they analyze it and all, but I still haven't had the time. I was even telling my friend that there are like events from like 7 years ago that happened and I feel guilty and I still haven't processed the emotions and my feelings until now. And even if someone urged me to do it, I would still like try to even when I start thinking about it, I'm just like, okay, it's better not to think about it. And then I just leave everything behind. My friend always told me that is why you have an autoimmune disease. I have PCOS. So basically PCOS is when your hormones are dysregulated in your body. Mainly တွေဆိုရင်ကြား hormones စီများတယ်အဓိကတော့ stress ကြောင့် cortisol ထွက်လာပြီးတော့ hormones imbalance ဖြစ်ပြီးတော့ for me I have insulin resistance ငယ်ဘဝမှာ traumatic experience တွေကြုံခဲ့ရတဲ့ main ကလေးတွေကအသက်ကြီးလာရင် PCOS or now you call it PMOS တွေရှိနိုင်တဲ့ chance ကပိုများတယ်